What are dream catchers? Do they catch dreams or filter them or help in fulfilling dreams? Let's find out in this video. But before I answer these questions, let me remind you to please hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel, and please remember to like the video. Dream catchers are old traditional form of art pieces mainly used as sleeping aid. It is widely used in Western countries and India. Its construction and design is based on spiritual belief. It's mostly handcrafted using natural fibers, sacred beads, crystals and feathers. It has a wooden hoop where the inner part is woven in a cobweb format, leaving a void in the center. They are attached with some feathers and beads, giving it wings. The origin of dream catchers is a debatable topic. Mostly claim it to be Native American in origin, which was developed by Ojibwe tribe. Few refer it to as the Shaman or European concept. It is believed that the cobweb of Dreamcatcher catches and absorbs the floating bad dreams, evil spirits, negative thoughts from our environment and filters only positive thoughts and good dreams. Its feathers provide protection, healing and good fortune to the one looking at it. They are believed to trap the negativity around the night time and dispose all of it during the time of sunlight. Most of the positive vibrations get refined through the daytime, so it gets cleaned itself in the presence of sunlight. But manually we can add pink salt for its cleansing and removal of stuck energy patterns, dirt, smut, etc. and reuse it. Dream catchers are also believed to help in psychological healing. Psychological health seems to improve after its use. It has shown to treat various sleep illnesses like insomnia, restlessness and improving the sleep quality through its therapeutic and recreational treatment. So what is the spiritual significance of using a dream catcher? The spiritual symbolism suggests that the sacred hoop, the wooden hoops, is the circle of life which has no beginning and no end to it. They often have three such hoops that indicate the past, present and the future times of our life. The outer, middle and inner portion of the hoop represents community, family, oneself respectively and their healing. The feathers of the dream catcher function as wings which assist the dream catchers to fly in the wind and catch dreams and negativity when they are held at night time over the place where we sleep. Its advanced weave and different colors of feathers signify fortune, hope and different areas of life. For example, red and pink reveals about relationships, white and green signify personal growth and peace, blue is for faith and protection. Black and white characterize the yin and yang energy of Feng Shui, which is as per the ancient Chinese philosophy. Yang is the sun or male and yin is moon or female. This describes the connection between contrary forces. The presence of beads and crystals enhances optimism, luck and prosperity. Majorly they denote unity and peace. So now that you know the importance of Dreamcatcher, let's find out what are its uses. In the Native American culture, dream catchers are hanged on the cradles of baby, which shields them from bad dreams, hoodoo, engages them with the creativity and keeps the child's senses busy with its attractive features. It can also be used as an evil eye for protection. You can fix it on the main entrance or interior doorway of the house to bring positive energy to those who enter the room. Sometimes it is also employed as a vision board, that is, we can add the pictures of our goals and intentions so that they can be manifested in our lives. It can be attached as artwork on the wall, deck, attic, large window, above the headboard of a bed, bedroom window, which improves the quality of sleep and also acts as an outdoor decor piece which purifies the surrounding area as well. Owing to their beautiful design, dream catchers are commonly used in small accessories such as keychain, handbags, purses, backpack, even as tattoos, in earring format or jewelry on neck to amplify positive vibes and protection because of the beautiful designs. So is there any connection of Feng Shui, Vaastu and dream catchers? Yes. According to Feng Shui and Vaastu, dream catchers should be placed on the southwest direction of the bedroom and house. It should always be hooked on windows, walls and doors to receive sunlight. this support to attract wealth and abundance. Thank you for watching this video.